Hello! Welcome to another episode of Skewered by Celeste Barber. Hello. A lot of people think that getting a good meal on the table is hard, that it's actually so easy, even a model can do it. Please welcome to my special swimsuit edition, Elyse Knowles.
What an intro.
She's not in swimmers. What's happened?
I was told leopard.
What has happened here? Okay. Let's just cook.
Yeah.
So, Elyse, not only are you a successful bikini model, aren't we all, you've also won $500,000 on the block, which is
Yeah.
amazing.
Thank
Are
you.
you good in the kitchen as well?
I love cooking.
I knew we should have got bingo. Well, you don't actually need to be very good because this is really easy.
Pre-proportioned, ready to go, fresh.
Pre-portioned.
Yeah, that one.
I understand though why you said proportioned because you probably look at me and go, wow, perfect, imperfect proportion, which I am. You'd be right. You're very smart. You are. Don't listen to what people say. You're very smart. Let's go.
All right, let's get into this.
All this stuff is so easy. I mean, you could probably do it with your perfect baby blue eyes shut.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, what are we choosing?
All right, I'm going with this Cheats beef corn enchiladas.
Yes! I love enchiladas! You're the best. I love you. Yum!
Favorite.
Love it.
Carrots.
And cheese.
Delish.
Someone will pick that up for us. So what happens when you're hot? Everyone does things for you.
Ah.
See how easy the recipe is? They put really pretty pictures there so even models can understand it.
Yeah, thanks. I'll get the carrots then.
Yeah, let's grate.
Grater.
Go, I'm not grading. No, not in my contract.
So I'm going to be doing everything.
I didn't know you were funny too. That's great. Hey, Elyse, how long have you been modelling?
16 years.
Wow. What's your favourite pose? This is mine. I try to do this one a lot. Get a camera on it. You guys got a camera on it?
I'm going to cook the mince. How about your hot husband? Does he get many likes?
Why do you want to know?
There isn't. Just asking.
Maybe just leave him out of it, yeah? Focus on your little enchiladas, mate.
Then you add the carrot. In you go. Then the corn. Hungry?
Yep. I've actually done my research.
Yeah.
And I read that you're into dirt bike riding as well.
Yeah, I love it.
Really?
Do you?
No, I don't do outdoor things.
Oh.
On a scale of 1 to like Mercedes Corby, how bogan are you?
Whoa. I reckon an 8, to be honest.
Yeah, right. So looks, you're like a 10. Bogan, you're about an 8.
Yeah, nailed it.
Oh, is it cheese time?
Cheese time, you're
Cheese
up.
is my thing. So you just sprinkle it. See?
Heavy on the cheese.
Yeah, man. That's what you do. While you're dirt bike riding, I'm doing cheese. All right, let's put it in. I don't lift things though. You can do that.
Righto, here we go.
Tuck it in.
And we wait.
Yeah.
Can't wait to eat food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are they ready yet?
No. No, they're not. Gosh, they smell good.
Look at
Yes,
these.
well done. All right, yeah, very happy. Let's plate them up and see if you cook as good as you look. Yeah, I want those two. They're the biggest.
These ones?
Yeah. Actually, if we just garnish that, I'll have that and I'll just let you know how it tastes. Smells so good. Oh, man. Oh, yeah.
What is the verdict? Come on, hit me.
Oh, mate. Yeah, they're really good.
Happy?
If this modelling thing doesn't work out for you, you could totally be a cook.
I do have to give the credit to HelloFresh.
You're a good cook.
It made me work for it.
Yeah. Well, that's another episode of Skewered by Celeste Barber. We have yet again shown you that dinner time doesn't need to be a chore. And we've also shown you that Elyse is a bigger bogan than I am. Cheers to that.
Yes.
See you next time when I won't be wearing swimmers.